here we are. Irene is here in South Jersey. Hello, hello, hello. And what do you have to say about it?
Peekaboo, how you doing?
Oh my god. We're gonna open the door like idiots.
Oh shit.
I was about to say the lights went out. Oh my word.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
See that? And we're in EHT. Imagine if we were in Ventnor, Margate, Brigantine, Atlantic City. Print Center. Can you zoom in? No?
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
She's
Real cute. Real
I just had
cute.
some Vienna sausages. They were spicy.
It's so dark. Woo, the hat. Look, it's flooded. People flooded.
Flooded.
Well, not really flooded, but you know, like an inch or two of rain.
But it's flooded.
I was about to say snow. Oh my god, really? Look at this car. Look at this car. Are you serious right now? You're supposed to be somewhere safe. Alien! Woo! Oh, another car! Oh my god, it's crazy! It's fucking crazy! Oh, my hat really came off! It's not a joke, people. It's not a joke. Look at this. This foot is getting wet. Look at Naomi up there.
We're crazy. Here comes the car. Here comes the car.
Yeah. When the cops get here in their boat.
Make that water splash.
All right. Okay. Only a minute? All right. All right.
We'll be back later.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Where?
Because 5 a.m. we will go right back outside and see how it is in 5 a.m. 5 a.m.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, we're out. I look a little crazy, but we're out.